All right, guys, we are headed out for the first night of solo camping. Feeling a little nervous, but also excited. Okay, well, we made it. So I got our parking permit, seasonal parking permit. I checked in. I looked at a map, and now I gotta try and find the campsite. I think it's down here. And do not enter. Parking pit only on gravel spurs. Oh my goodness. Oh shoot. Hold on. I gotta see what number I am. I am 34. So lane A. Oh yeah, I see a bunch of campers over there. So 34. Probably going fast. Oh look, there's like a little teepee or a yurt or whatever in the trees over there. Okay. Yep. And there is no hookups yet. I mean, no public bathrooms or showers, it said. I might go check it out anyway. Oh, here's a van. Of course, a bigger van, and they have a tent outside next to it. I think I picked a site closest to the bathrooms, even though they're not open. That's all right. Yep, I picked it right next to the bathroom there. There's the bathrooms, and I am not too far ahead of that. Oh, I see myself. 32. Is there? Oh, there's 33. Oh my god, I'm right by a water spigot. I don't know if the water's turned on though. Oh, I should back in. Okay, I'm gonna back in. Wish me luck. All right, here we go. We are going to see if the bathrooms are open. See how close I am? I don't know. We will find out. Okay, so we are out of luck and we will be setting up the bathroom. But I suppose this is what real van life is like. You're not always going to have a bathroom. So here we go. Okay, so the time has come. We are going to try and set up my outhouse. So it says to lay this on the ground. Next, I'm supposed to throw the tent into an open area. Okay. No. Oh, nice. All right, that works. Next. Well, it was supposed to pop open all the way. It did not. There we go. Okay. Oh, what the heck? Okay, there we go. Whew. All right. So, seriously, it has to be windy today too, of course. Well, okay, I don't know. I'm trying to get this to stay open. What is going on here? Okay. Well, I suppose I want my door facing this way. Oh, okay, next. We're going to stake it down. Don't even think about it. All right, staking it down. Should have brought a hammer. All right, so this is my outhouse all set up. I will take you in here. You can see. Okay. Put my little toilet in here. I popped it up, as you can see, and it looks like you put some poo gel in here. So I'll give you a little look around here. Here's where I'm staying. You know, I don't have anyone next to me, so it's pretty private, or across from me. The bathrooms that are closed, and I don't have anyone on this side of me. And there's a building there. What's that building? Oh my gosh, it looks like it might be maybe it's like a vaulted toilet. Did I just put up my outhouse for nothing? All right, we're going to check this out. Oh, sorry. Hold on. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry for the bad camera angle. Hold on a second. All right, what is this over here? This better not. Oh my goodness. Is this? Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, I think I just did all that for nothing, but at least now I know how it works. Now the question is to leave it up or to take it down. Okay. What? As soon as I walk back to the car, not even 5 seconds later, catastrophe happens. It's a little windy out, but I guess I'm taking it down. Okay, well, now that I washed all the poo powder off my hands from the toilet tipping over, I think I will now stress eat and make something to eat. Well, I'm about to go to bed. I just wanted to give you a look at the inside of the van. I've got the window coverings on, so it is pitch black in here. I've got the reflective part there, but as you can see, it covers all the window, so nobody's going to be peeking in on me. I did bring a thermostat, or I think I did. I might have left it at home. I can't find it at the moment, but I'll look tomorrow more for it. I do have to also level the van more. I backed in because they say it's safer. So in case you have to take off right away, it's easier just to drive forward. However, I'm not the best reverse driver, so I think I can get it more level, but that will have to wait till tomorrow now. So I am kind of sleeping at a slant, but it's not too bad. We'll make do. I hope you all have a good night. I am going to get tucked in and try and stay warm, and I will see you all tomorrow morning.